My name is Sonia Huerta and I live in Houston, Texas. The recipes I find on the WICook at Home Facebook group are pretty easy to follow, and also joining this community has helped me see that we need more healthy options food-wise. Sometimes we don't think about combining these vegetables together, but once you see a recipe and you try it out, you actually enjoy it. When I make a recipe, I take pictures throughout the cooking process, and then I go into the Facebook group. I type in the recipe and post it so other members can see.
My name is Chandria Warren, and I live in the Houston area, mainly around Fresno. It's very motivating to go into the group, to be logged into something I'm on every day, which is Facebook. To give you an interpersonal feel with WIC, being able to have that connection, knowing that you're able to get recipes, speak to somebody individually, speak to somebody one-on-one, kind of personalize it and make it fun.
My name is Marie. I live in Houston, Texas. I'm a mom of 2 boys, and the Facebook group gives me an opportunity to learn a little bit more about what other people are cooking so that I can get inspired and cook something similar, something that's fully covered by WIC. I can really appreciate other moms that cook for their kids too, and I appreciate the support that I get from the Facebook group.